Did you know that beneath our feet lies a bustling world that we hardly acknowledge? It turns out that 1 teaspoon of soil can house more organisms than there are people on the planet. You see, these tiny creatures, including bacteria, fungi, and archaea, are vital to the health of our ecosystems. In fact, soil microbes play critical roles in plant survival, nutrient cycling, and even carbon sequestration. However, despite their importance, the mystery surrounding soil microorganisms continues to grow. As it turns out, we are just scratching the surface of understanding their profound influence on our environment. So let us dive into the secret life of soil microorganisms and uncover the hidden wonders that sustain our planet.